Well, hi, folks. Well, today is May the 31st, Monday. And what's special about today is it's Memorial Day. I want to introduce my superheroes right here. 1, 2, and 3. But I would really want you to meet the true heroes from decades and decades ago to present. Here we go.
Let us not forget the men and women who have given their lives so that we may live ours in freedom. They have fought on distant shores, enduring many hardships, and dedicating themselves to attaining a goal for every American, the privilege of living our lives without the tyranny of oppressors. We commemorate their lives this day as we continue to look to the future, built upon the foundation of their unselfishness.
So let's start just some of the heroes that were truly heroes that fought for our country as well as other countries for freedom, for justice. And we can go back as far as World War One, then World War Two, and then there's the Korean War. And don't forget about the big war that was a biggie back in the 60s, the Vietnam War. And with that said right there, I want to pause for a minute and say, I want to welcome back all those folks that fought in the Vietnam War. Welcome home, soldiers. And this covers men and women. Just a few more to mention, like Desert Storm, Iran, Iraq.
Afghanistan.
Just a few to mention. A lot of wars, a lot of people dying, innocent people, women and children. But anytime you have a war, a lot of good people are going to die and suffer, as we're still having today. You would think from all these wars we've had and continue to have, people would learn to live together in peace and harmony. But for some reason, power, wealth, and control seems to be just 3 of the bad ingredients that make some countries and governments and people turn into a side we've never seen before. But again, the innocent people in those countries see it every day. So aren't we fortunate? So I personally want to thank all the people from the United States, men and women that have served our country. And a lot of those folks are pen enthusiasts, believe it or not. And a friend of mine, a retired captain, Army Ranger and chopper pilot, Captain Army Ranger Jim Godfrey, also did a tour in Nam as well. So, you know, all you guys answered the call. All you women answered the call. There was all shapes, size, color of skin. Everyone finally knew only one way to help each other. It was to bond. With that said, peace and love, and God bless America.